purpose of the company was to make industrial robot a lot more relevant to the whole manufacturing industry, not just the mass manufacturers.
Trying to automate dangerous jobs and also tackle the manpower shortage.
As it is today, less than 30% of manufacturers can use robots effectively. But with AutonomyOS, we could be aiming for almost all of them.
They have a very hard time justifying the cost of automating such a wide variety of different part numbers in such small volume.
I would say the core of the OS itself is based on HDN planning.
That is currently used for space exploration and that kind of scenario. We're using it to break down a big problem into smaller sub-problems, and you can use deep learning techniques to do that. AutonomyOS enable manufacturers to build their own autonomous manufacturing system without relying on external source, so they can build their own system themselves. You're not programming per part. You're defining a behavior. You throw any kind of part on that system, it's going to manage it. Once a behavior set is done, you just need to walk away and let the system run.
Parts are moving in front of the cameras, and from that motion we take a lot of images, and from these images we then reconstruct the shape. And then from that voxel volume we get a mesh, which is a 3D representation of the scanned object.
Most of the AI part is in the HDN planner, hierarchical task planner, and in the vision. And in the robotics and motion planner, we use AI to generate the best and most efficient motion for the robot.
In an AI system, you can explore scenario in the virtual space, find the best scenario, and never do in real physical space all the scenario combination that leads to screwing up.
The motion planning of our product, of the brain, is going to execute the program when the piece is coming in front of the robot.
It's not tailored to do one task, it's made to do anything that you want. Realistically, I think AutonomyOS, the real value is the fact that it's so flexible. It's been built flexible from the ground up.
Here we know we're people that are rigorous.
We have this vision to change the world.
We want to evolve fast. We don't want to be stuck in the past.
Experimenting with new technologies and trying out things that were not done before.